gotitas de la lluvia, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar, cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las goes something. Oh, that's some other stuff.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang,
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang,
las gotitas de la lluvia.
las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar. Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang,
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang,
caen, caen sin parar.
caen, caen sin parar.
Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia. Cling, clang,
cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar.
cling, clang,
Cling, cling, clang, las gotitas de la lluvia. Cling, clang, cling, cling, clang, caen, caen sin parar.
Good. And also the idea for crossing hands was for mallet technique because we could do it on orff instruments on
Yeah,
two
it
notes.
should be super fun.
Yeah, so practice that. Anyways,
Okay, yeah, it was good teaching, so I learned it quickly, so.
it's pretty easy. So
Yeah.
there was only 2 measures of words that changed.
Right, but I really like this idea. It gave us, because it's about like the rain falling, right?
Yes.
So I don't know, for me it gives more of like a sense of movement rather than like, it's raining, it's raining.
That's a good
it's
idea.
raining.
Yeah, it's kind of like drip, drop. Drip,
Yeah.
Drop.
So I like that movement.
And then you could even move to the rhythm. This would be a good one to grab the rhythm.
Yes. Yeah, that's good.
Thanks.